Please go to the description box and comment box to copy the all question for part 1 and part 2. Question 36. The ABC company is a major supplier in the automotive industry, headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, with manufacturing plant in Chicago, San Paul, etc. Each of this plant has been operating its own planning and production schedule system as well as custom development applications that drive the automotive produce equipment at each plant. The company is implementing lean manufacturing principles to minimum cost and improvement the efficiency of all of its production operations. The central system should provide support to ease of the plan, replacing functionality in the existing system. The company and department has been operating for several years and has mature well-developed architecture governance and development process that are strongly based on Togaf at the recent meeting, etc. So the answer is C, that it should create baseline and target architecture for each of the manufacturing plant. A gap analysis between the architecture will then validate the approach and determine the duration. Question 37. The company specializes in the development of wind turbine blade for use in large-scale commercial wind energy production company. The company has manufacturing facility located in Palm Springs, California, and etc. Each of these plant supplies a different manufacturer that builds and sells complete system. The company has used Togaf and its architecture development method to develop its automated manufacturing process and system that are used to design, manufacture, and test the blade assemblies. They have adopted their enterprise architecture to closely follow the Togaf 9 framework. All of the company enterprise architecture has been trained and certified on Togaf 9. For this question, answer is D. You create an architecture contract to govern the implementation and migration process at each site. If the contract is issued to an external party, you ensure that it is a fully enforceable legal contract. You ensure that the contract addresses the project objectives, effectiveness metrics, acceptance criteria, and risk management. 38. Your role is that of a consultant, lead enterprise architect of the company specialized luxury electronic cars and their ordained component, and also produce battery charging equipment. A sense that the company is facing to scale up the number of vehicles coming off the production line to meet customer demand while maintaining quality. At the moment, there are supply chain storage for key electronic components related to the autonomous drive system. The company has a mature enterprise architecture practice that is supported by a cross-functional architecture board. The Togaf standard is used for developing the automated manufacturing process and system used to design, manufacture, and test the new design. Architecture contracts have been developed into detailed work need to implement and deploy the new automated test system control for each location. So answer is A. You create an architecture contract to manage and govern the implementation and migration process. If the contract is issued to an external party, you ensure that it is a fully enforced legal contract. For internal development project, you decide it is adequate to utilize a memorandum of understanding between the architecture board and implementation organization. Question 39. You have been appointed as a consultant to the chief architect of multilingual cooperation. Cooperation over 1 lakh employees and its organization into 10 division operation in over 60 countries and production so over 125 countries. The major site is 8 location about. The enterprise architecture group the company has been engaged in an architecture development project to create a secure collaboration system that will allow researchers at its project development laboratories worldwide to share information about their clinical trials. The Enterprise Architecture Group is a massive organization. They use the Togaf idiom with extension required to support the manufacturing practice and laboratory practice of their targeted market. So answer is here, you would use a consolidated gap solution and dependency matrix as a planning tools. For each gap, you would classify whether the solution is either a new development phase solution and based on an existing product. You would group the similar solution together to define the work package. This is the last question. We are serving the lead architect for the insurance company, which has been formed through the merge of three previous independent companies. The company now consists of three divisions with the same name and division headquarters as their forces. The lack of integration between the three divisions has increased cost problems by handling the customer and financial information. As a result, the company has made a decision to introduce the common web portal content center software suite and document management system. Also, the company has selected a single enterprise-wide customer relationship application to consolidate information from the several applications that exist across the division. The application will be used by each of the division and accessed by third-party partner through well-defined interface. Let's say I permit the enterprise architecture department so that the company goal is exactly to coordinate effort between the implementation team and the migration team in each division. Then we review the mission statement for the company and its division. Let's go. Business driver based on that review. You would work closely with the key stakeholder and the architecture board to define the